Mommy, is that how you wear a bonnet?
I can see.
Why does it look like that? You look like Nefertiti.
Going to the store, that's how I wear it.
Up?
Yeah, I wear it, sit on my head.
But Mommy, why are you looking at me? Look at the camera. Why are you turned this way?
You let them know we didn't have no sleep.
Mommy. But then when I'm recording my videos, you have so much to say. So I'm like, oh, maybe you should say this. Maybe you should say that. But now you're front, you're speechless. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for so much for the support. I appreciate all of it. I love it. Like, you guys are amazing. So today's video, I'll be showing you all the inventory that I had got straight from the motherland. Liberia, to be specific. Liberia, West Africa. That's where my mother is originally from. That's in my blood. We're African, so like, I'm so excited to share with you guys. So, well, if you don't know, well, my name is Play. I'm the owner of playslaysbeauty LLC. I'm official. Yes, check me out. And my website is www.playslaysbeauty.com. And as of right now, I'm selling African waist beads. And I'm selling, yeah, you go ahead, show me. And I'm also selling face masks as well. As of right now, I have a lot more things, you know, up my sleeve and ready for you guys. And I can't wait to share. So this is
Uncle bracelets.
Yes, and also because you guys get the first look. Actually, this is the first time me sharing to the public that I'm selling African print Ankara bonnets. Let me show you. See, I'm talking about too much. I got the face mask in my hand. I'm trying to show the bonnet. Okay, let me just start with, well, this is the bonnet right here. Well, let me grab it, one of them. All right, so we have, by the way, guys, everything is sanitized. I know I'm putting, and this is my personal mask. That's why I'm putting it like this is mine. And we also have sanitized and wiped down everything here with Lysol. Like, I have all my stuff over there. Like, everything is 100% clean. All hands are washed, so, you know, we're safe over here. This is, trust me, this package is completely clean. And this is my personal mask right here. So I'm put it over here. So right here is a bonnet. We also have kid sizes. These are African print bonnets. Look at the print. Yeah, so I'm also gonna be dropping these soon. Mommy and me bonnets, as well. I have a lot of different, you know, African prints coming for you all. And this is the face mask here. This is a matching face mask for the bonnet with the filter, the pocket for the filter inside, which you can add a filter or a disposable mask. So, you know. All right, so, you know, just had to, you know, tell you guys what I'm about, give you a little insight about what Play Slays Beauty is about and what we offer as of right now. And, you know, like I said, lots more to come. So I'm really excited. Oh, before I didn't even introduce, because we was talking and doing all that, and I'm just going, but this is my mother, Rosalind. Well, I don't want to give your whole government.
And she's so right, because every time when she's doing her video, I always in the background telling her, oh, you should have said this, or you should have said that. Now I'm sitting speechless. Barely can say anything, right?
Yeah.
But I'll loosen up later on.
Yeah, this is what you see. The lights are on her.
I was born in Liberia, and
see, now you're speaking to Sari again.
Oh, God.
I mean, see, because then now she's trying to talk with a, well, it's a like American accent.
Not that trying to talk. I guess it just came out or whatever. Cause
you're doing it again.
My people, I come from Liberia. I used to walk in the dirt, go pick potatoes in the forest, dig cassava, crack pancana. Oh my God, you're taking me back to the motherland now, so let me just leave it while you play, okay?
Yes. Okay, so this is my mother, and these are some of the waist beads we're selling. Like, I'm just gonna be another detailed video as to, you know, if you're not familiar to what waist beads are, you know, why women wear them. But these are some of them right here. Beautiful colors. Okay, and we also have anklets as well. Some of these are anklets, bracelets, chokers. Let me let the camera focus. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So these are the ones we already made. So, you know, starting my business, like I want everything to be authentic, you know? So I decided to order my beads straight from the motherland. So, you know, why not? Because then the quality, you know, I'm just so excited to open this package with the quality, you know, because traditionally, like I said, it's gonna be a separate video as to why we wear them and stuff like that, but we normally, well, traditionally, like, we don't take the beads off at all, so we keep them on. So like I wanted good quality beads because like when you're showering, you know, daily wear, because you keep them on for years, you know, depending, you know, if you don't break, if you don't gain, you know, like I said, it's many different reasons. But go ahead.
And you sure it's made with this, you know, on the string.
You know, when you look,
I mean, made on the string, and you have, you know, tie it and it stay on you permanently, you know. But we decided, you know, of course, we serving large quantity of people, you know, so we decided, like people from America, from Africa, so we decided, you know, to put, you know, screws on the beads so it can be easy to put on instead of them tying it and having difficulty, you know, tying it. So we just, you know,
yeah,
added,
so they have all these
screws.
Have
they
a
all
barrel.
have screws on them.
Yes, they have a barrel clasp. Let me show you. Here's the screw.
Unscrew it.
Excuse my nails, guys. It's quarantine. But yeah, that's the barrel screw, and you just boom, 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 and then, you know, boom, boom, like just like that. So yeah, they're real fall, like, you know. So like I said, I ordered these, so I can't wait. I'm excited, and it's just amazing that, you know, this package came straight from Liberia, a place that I haven't been. I'm ashamed to say, but yes, you know, I haven't been, but I will go. I know for, like, I'm gonna go there. You know, I'm speaking it to existence. It's gonna happen. So it's just amazing knowing that this came from there, like, you know, and I'm touching it. I don't know, it just feels amazing. I'm
excited.
excited.
When they delivered, I was the one that went to the door. Oh, I felt so happy just touching a package, something from home.
Yeah.
It feels so good. Just people don't understand it.
Yeah, and she hasn't been back yet.
Since I came, I haven't been back. It's been 34 years, but
we'll go. We're going.
We'll go.
Speaking to this, y'all heard it here first. All right, so without further ado, we're gonna go ahead. Oh, it got some weight on it too. I was about to. You hear that? This is actually, the package is 10 kilograms, which is 21 pounds. I think I did the math earlier.
What? How did you lift? You lift that like super. Oh my god.
But super it's like 21 pounds. Yeah, so I'm excited. And they really, like, it looks small, like, but they really compacted. Like, I'm gonna insert a picture of what it looked like when the guy, we didn't even think, I don't know, but
we so excited, and I messaged him, I called him and messaged him.
It's okay if I don't know if it's okay if I say his name on camera, but I just want to say thank you. I'm just like, but thank you so.
He's such a wonderful person, and
yeah, I really appreciate
he really went through.
Yeah, especially during quarantine time and doing this for me, and, you know, going out there shopping and this and that, like the communication, like, sending pictures back and forth, like, it was, you know, I really appreciate that. And
people is all in it to do this for us, and we highly appreciate it.
Yes, thank you so much.
I gotta speak in Liberian with my daughter. Say I keep talking American. I wish I'm not. I guess to me, but no,
you're just like, you know how people put on their white person voice when you're on the phone.
No, maybe because you know, you come, you know, when you in this, I come to this country and you talking a little, you know, you speaking the way you speak, and then people ask you, they don't understand you. You know, you going to apply for a job or go for an interview. And then I see you tell them, my name, you know, I Rosalind, you know, I used to say it that way. And then I don't understand.
When you keep looking at it,
and then tell you I don't understand you, and then you get so frustrated, like, oh my God, you know, I'm looking forward to this job, and this person not understanding me. So we try, you know, I don't speak American, but I just try to, you know, say my words, you know, where, you know, like we say, when I came, I used to say vegetables. That's how we call it, vegetables. And people like, no, it's vegetables, you know. And like people say, oh, you know, I'm the dress. When I came, dress. like I'm sitting here now, you know, and if she's close to me, I would say dress. And then
that means
before I met her, he like, what do you mean dress? I'm already dressed. And I'm like, no, I said dress. Then I push myself. And oh, you mean scoot over? You know, so that's how I started learning. You know, so
I just learned some Liberian. What they call it,
colloquy.
The Liberian English.
Oh, yeah.
So when they say, "Oh, dress," that mean, you know, move
dress
over.
My you play dress you too. You close to me, dress I won't be comfortable, dress anyway, we're so excited. And
so
can't wait to share this with you all and just create.
Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead
and put a lot of love in it and just create. Oh my God.
Yes. So I'm gonna reposition the camera. That way you guys can get a better view when we're doing the opening. So, yes. All right. So it's time to open. I just have to do that.
Let's go.
Come on.
Ooh, together. Ooh, from home. Yeah?
Yes.
Thank you, wife. Thank my sister Kuma.
We appreciate you.
We appreciate your time, your effort to do this for us. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you all.
Okay, so where do we start? It seems like a lot of tape.
Okay.
Just dig in, huh? I'm just gonna. Let me see. I have this knife too. Dang, this thing done traveled some miles.
No, yeah.
Well, you can. I'll let you. You can. This.
My people, we're looking rough. We didn't go to bed till what?
Well, late.
6?
I had like an hour and a half of sleep.
Yeah, so we look rough, but we redeem ourselves. So yeah, please look up for the next video.
Yes, and I'm also a licensed cosmetologist, or if you guys don't know that. So I also had a client today too, so girl been working, okay?
And the reason why I'm taking my time to cut this box, she know this box here from the motherland is not gonna be thrown away.
Mommy, talk about it not going. She keeps everything too. It's not gonna be thrown away. Mommy.
I'm taking my time cutting it. Yeah.
Tell you now that they take it the way that it was wrapped before. They took it out and made it, you know, because it was like circular.
Post office.
The
DHL.
Okay, so these are these the crystal, the shiny ones? The ones that be shining? No, I don't think it is it.
What's the shiny one?
Okay, so these are some like clear crystal. They're all glass beads too, like crystal glass beads. They're pretty. Right, let's.
So
I'm just gonna cut all the colors and stuff. We have black. These are the they're the small ones too. Oh, some of them are. These ones are. And then, oh yeah, these ones are small. Oh, we got like different sizes too. The gold.
All the colors. So let's go, bro.
Pink is my color, guys. For this one. Ooh, it's a lot. It's so much. I love this pink. This is like candy pink. It's like candy.
This is pretty too. All of them pretty.
Colors. Oh, I love this one too.
Oh man.
I love this size. See, these are bigger. Let me show you in comparison to the smaller ones. Like the big ones are good, are cute too. And that color, that neon lime green is beautiful. Oh, that's like it's like a bronze color. It's pretty. And these are I like these ones. All right, they did good.
He said all the colors are in there. All the colors.
Ooh, I like this hot pink. See, this is a good one to show them. See, these are the same.
I'll keep showing them. That's yeah, this shoe.
Alrighty. These are the same color, but you see, let me show you this guy. It's different. These are a lot bigger.
And some people request that for some bigger beads, so the same.
Yeah,
bigger beads. Oh, make some necklaces and necklaces. Those beads. Oh, I keep showing them.
I'm saying you don't have to say that. Bigger beads. You'll see what we're gonna create with these ones. Alright. Bigger bead.
This color.
Wow.
I wish I had
So yeah, one of the packets, you know, saying straight from here, it kind of opened up in there, but this one was white. But yes, these are the beads here. I'm very happy and satisfied with all of them. The colors are beautiful. I know, oh my gosh. I love the neon. I'm so excited with the different sizes. This is exactly what I was looking for. Like, these ones are perfect, you know, especially like, you know, when it's your first time ordering from someone, you know, of course, you know, they have to get a feel of what you like, and you know, you gotta, you know, it's like you know, you got to build that relationship, you know, once they understand exactly what you're looking for. So now, like, you know, I feel like we have a great understanding. Like, I'm satisfied, like, for sure. Everything was like worth it. I'm so glad I went ahead and purchased these beads. Like, it's so many. Oh yeah, my mother, she's already trying to create something right now. So, hold on, let me position it again. I'm a little, okay, yeah, I'm tall.
I'm so excited. Ooh, I have fun. I'm having fun with this. So.
Yes, I can't wait to show you guys what we, you know, create. You know, check me out, playslaysbeauty.com. You'll see all the creations and the different recipes that we have. Like, I'm excited. And thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. And subscribe, by the way, if I didn't say it before. Subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know, it only takes, just press the button. That's all you gotta do, show love. And yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, y'all. And
thank you.
Stay tuned.
Bye.
Stay tuned. And
we're gonna
only accepting blessings. Shout out to 𝐒𝐋𝐀𝐘. She's selling these shirts. She sells hoodies and the crop hoodies, everything. So only accepting blessings, okay? Beautiful statement. I love it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Mom, you gonna,
I'm all into the bees. Yeah,
yes, she already started.
I'm so excited, you know, starting now to create, especially the bigger ones. I haven't done that in years. Since I left Liberia, I haven't made big beads. These are some of the beads we used to wear. So I'm gonna make one so my daughter can see. That's why I'm so excited, you know.
Yeah, because she's used to, I mean, like I said, they wear the different sizes, all different sizes in Africa traditionally. You see like the medium ones, the smaller ones, and then you see the bigger ones, like that people usually, you know, use for hair. They also use it as on the waist as well. So we have some of those as well.
Waist and the hair and, you know, your foot or feet.
Yeah, so she's trying to create some of those right now to show me. So yeah, so we'll talk to you all later. See you. Bye.
And blessings are from heaven. We have to give gratitude.
Yes.
To our Father above.
Thank you.
Thank you all for your support.
We love you.
We love you all.
Bye.
Bye.